GM & Company is a firm of chartered accountants run by myself, and we offer a wide range of accounting and tax compliance services, including preparation and lodgement of basic income tax returns, GST returns, business activity statements, your bookkeeping requirements, and all the way to complex superannuation advice, business structuring advice. So whether you are a small business owner or a high net worth individual or a professional, we can look after your tax and compliance requirements. Well, that's an interesting question. A lot of people are not very clear about the segregation of the duties between a bookkeeper and an accountant. The bookkeeper enters the data from source documents into an accounting software, like entering purchases, sales, receipts from debtors, reconciling of the bank and the credit card. The accountant's role starts where the bookkeeper finishes his job. The accountant converts the data from the accounting software into readable reports, which he then presents to the management and the business owners in a readable format, keeping in view that these reports are required to analyze the figures, how the business has been performing financial health checks on the business, and then suggesting the ways and means how to have a sustainable growth in the business. Look, everyone has to pay taxes. However, there are methods by which you can reduce your taxes and still abiding by the law. These strategies, when put into place to reduce your taxes, is known as tax planning. However, if you follow unethical methods to reduce your taxes, that term is called tax evasion. There's a thin line between the two concepts, and if you want to understand these two concepts better, please feel free to give us a call. Well, the first thing that you need to do in that case is call us, because the information that is required by the tax office can be quite complex to gather and submit. So we will take up that case on your behalf with the tax office, represent you with the tax office, and we will help you to gather that information in a readable format which is acceptable by the tax office. An accounting software is a tool, and it's a great tool. A tool to help you record your accounting information, but it cannot interpret the information which has been entered into the software. You will need a human brain to be able to analyze that information, and based on maybe the changing tax laws or market conditions, or maybe your personal circumstances, suggests you how you can grow your business, which the accounting software cannot do. You will need a professional accountant to be able to do that.